Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test as well as audio test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline. This will help you in MCQs test as well as audio test because Gotranscription guideline is very important. You must apply all these Gotranscription guidelines before submitting the audio test. If you not follow the guideline, you never pass Gotranscript audio test. So this guideline is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you in MCQ test as well as audio test a lot. So please read this guideline before starting the audio test and MCQs test. So let's move first to the Gotranscript MCQs test and given the answer. So first question is, what is the correct answer of this mathematical equation? There are 5 different options. So let's solve this mathematical equation. 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. 8 divided by 0.8 is equal to 10. Then 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 10 plus 12 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 12 is the correct option of this mathematical equation. If you have any doubt, you simply solve this manually on paper. So 12 answer is correct answer of this mathematical equation. Second question is dash good friends. There are 3 different options and this is a grammatical question, and this question answer is A and B. A and B are both correct answer of this mathematical question. They are good friends. They are good friends. Both are correct option. Third question is, if you are working on the part of 5 to 15 minutes, time stamping every 30 seconds should start at. So if you are working on a part of 5 to 15, this means audio start at 5 minutes. So there are 5 different options and correct option is first start at 5 minutes, and this is the correct format of time stamping in bold form. So that is why this is the correct option of third question. What is the time stamping and what are the types of time stamping? So there are 3 different options. So if you have any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline. Time stamping. Time stamping types. Time stamping format is this, and every 2 minutes, and when every time the speaker change. So time stamping is a method of acknowledge the exact time of the audio. It is done by a change of speaker or every 2 minutes unless a client specifies otherwise. So first option is correct option according to the transcription guideline and definition of time stamping. So next question is 5, and what is the rule about slang word in clean verbatim? There is 3 different options and you simply check in transcription guideline. So slang word must be written as got you instead of gotcha, going to instead of gonna, went to instead of wanna. So this is these rules are apply in clean verbatim section. So according to the transcription guideline, example of slang word are gonna, wanna, gonna written as respectively are going to, went to. So this option is correct according to the clean verbatim rules in Gotranscription guideline. Next question is if the quality of audio and video file is horrible, what do you have to do? There are three different options, but according to the transcription guideline, if many parts are simply unintelligible due to the accents or topic, leave the file for other people who may provide quality work. So this option is correct, and second option A and B both option is correct. If the audio file is unaudible, let the support know about this case. Gotranscript will contact the client and provide him with the refund. So A and B both are correct answer of sixth question. Seventh question is a grammatical question, and question is he dash my brother. There are four different options and C option is correct. He is my brother. Eighth question is it is a problem that need to be. There are five different options and I think D option is correct. With option is correct. What are the types of time stamping? We already know that there are two types of time stamping. One is when change of speaker and other is every 2 minutes. So B and D are both option is correct. Option of ninth question. 10th question and last question is I meet in Lithuania. There are three different options and C option is correct according to the transcription guideline and some grammar rules. So after all you need to click on confirm and you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description, there is a link for audio test. I provide link of the audio test. So this is the video for today. I hope you like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. One more time I must recommended you to must read this transcription guideline. This will help you in audio test a lot. These code transcription guideline is very important. You must apply all these code transcription guideline into the audio test if you want to pass the audio test. So this is the video for today. I hope you like the video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.